Just days ago, I released a video where we analyzed 5 different Amazon print-on-demand products that were making at least 1,000 sales a month. And I thought to myself, why stop there? Let's look at Etsy for listings, similar listings of the same product types that are doing at least 1,000 sales a month. Let's compare a little bit and see if we learn anything new about the anatomy of very successful print-on-demand listings on Etsy. So that's the plan for today. Let's get to it. So for this exercise, we are of course going to start on Etsy, where we're going to be looking for these products, but unfortunately, Etsy does not tell us how many times a product has sold. If I go and I type in funny shirt, that's not something I'm going to find. Although you may see that with the popular Everbee Chrome extension, I get this little additional insert underneath each listing. And I can see that, for instance, this t-shirt right here has sold 96 times in the last month. So we're close and got 9,700 views. So that's pretty good. That's a good start. But here's the thing. If you're using the Everbee Chrome extension, you have access to their massive product database. Just go to the left-hand side and click Product Analytics. Now, what it's going to do is evaluate all of the products on the page that we were just looking at, where we searched for, I think, funny shirt. But what we can actually do is go to Everbee's massive database of 130 million product listings, okay? And now we've vastly expanded the scope of our search. They've actually analyzed over 3 million listings that are now included in our search instead of just Etsy giving us like 60 listings, okay? So you can see why Everbee's nice for this purpose. What I was going to recommend we do is actually, I put the word funny there. We don't need it. I'm just going to put the word, or yeah, let's just leave funny. Why not? Let's leave the word funny. All right. Now, where it says filter right here, I'm going to open that up. And underneath monthly sales, I'm going to put 1,000 as the minimum and then hit enter. What you'll notice is it only gives us one result. That's interesting. I thought we would get more than that. But keep in mind too, the monthly sales is affected by like recency. So of course it's a Christmas shirt that's doing well. Let's just remove the word funny in this case and research. And okay, there we go. Now we're getting some additional, many more listings doing 1,000 sales a month minimum. This first one, custom comfort colors shirt with a dog, photo personalization. This sold 1,700 times in the last month. That's insane. Custom comfort color, and of course that's, half due to, December and whatnot. But you can see here the title, custom comfort colors, dog t-shirt, retro dog shirt, personalized pet shirt, 90s shirt, women tee. So they didn't have to worry about too much about like keyword stuffing their title. Essentially, they've got what people want. And this initial listing that they're showing must have something that is resonating with people. Obviously they have a dog named Thomas here that people must really like. They've got additional images, and these are from like happy customers that left them reviews. If you've got a successful product listing, I absolutely love this idea for Etsy in general. All right. Even if you're not doing 1,000 sales a month, to take your actual like customer reviews and integrate them. And, you can always ask your customers for permission to do that. They're also showing like the colors that are available. They're showing the comfort colors shirt in this case, because it's more of a premium option. What else? They of course have the size chart, a comfort colors tag, just to show, again, that's a value proposition. People who buy comfort colors, I think typically are familiar with the brand, that it's more of a premium shirt. So that's about the anatomy of the listing images they've got here. And as for the niche, obviously it's that 90s style. What do we call it other than the 90s style shirt with like the name and the photos and the lightning in the background? Beyond that, what do we got? Personalized mama sweatshirt. So this just says mama. It looks like, is it embroidered? No, it's not embroidered. They got the kid's name on the sleeve. That's obviously extremely popular. Those probably make Etsy so much money. Number 3 here. This is another comfort colors shirt. It is very similar to that first one. It's got the dog name and the dog photos in the 90s style. Okay, so these are just absolutely crushing it. Beyond that, what was that? One that said Nana again, or Nana? What is that? Personalized Nana sweatshirt, custom team name. So team this, team that. Another comfort colors. So I guess you guys are getting the point here. We could probably move on from t-shirts. This one's done 1,338 sales a month. And you'll never guess the design style. Yes, you guessed it. It is that 90s style with photos of people's pets. So take a hint here. If you don't have this listing, some rendition of it available on your shop, perhaps, you know, it doesn't have to be a copy paste of it, but like notice comfort colors seems to be the most popular shirt among these bestsellers. The design style, hopefully you've noticed some consistency between bestsellers. If you're looking to have a single product listing that you can launch that on the very high end can make you quite a bit of money if you're successful over time, won't be overnight, I would start here. This is not planned. This is organic here on this video. You can see 75 people bought this in the last 24 hours. Insane. Next up, if you remember the Amazon video that I did, I was looking for 5 different product types that were doing over 1,000 sales a month. The next one that I looked up was a coffee mug. According to Everbee, there is currently at least one. I mean, Everbee doesn't claim to have every single product that Etsy offers in their database, although they are working towards that. I noticed in real time that like, I think the database size was changing, or at least I thought I did. Maybe I hallucinated it. But you'll see here, this mug, they're only charging $8.99, by the way. That's pretty insane. They're, of course, offering personalization. I have a feeling all of these bestsellers on Etsy are going to be personalized. It says, "You are the best thing I've ever found on the internet, heart Kayla." So that's hilarious. So and look at what her targeting is. Boyfriend, Valentine's Day gift for him. A nice little SEO teaching moment, by the way. Boyfriend, Valentine's Day gift. And then also she parlayed that into gift for him without making the SEO look like it was written for a robot. Funny gift for him, husband, anniversary gift. And obviously targeting people that probably met on the internet, right? On the dating apps. Marielle and I famously did not. It seems like everybody does these days. But this is doing over 1,000 sales in the last month. Total sales over 25,000. And because it's, you know, hey, I mean, I'm not going to say exactly why, but these custom products, these personalized products convert at a very high rate. This is the highest conversion rate I've seen in a long time, 14.8%. So they're absolutely killing it, and 13,000 favorites. And if you're looking at this and you're like, what font is that? By the way, you can literally run it through websites called like, what font is this? Just copy paste that image and it'll basically detect the font, you know, reasonably accurate most of the time. So check that out in case you're curious. I feel like I know the name of this font, but I didn't prep that for this video. So, but I know I probably have it installed in my computer because I've seen it before. The next product we were looking for was stickers. Okay, so again, I go to Everbee's product analytics. Make sure you click the Everbee database. Then you can search for your product type right here. You can also additionally add keywords that must be included right there, and you can exclude keywords as needed underneath. Under monthly sales, I put 1,000, and there are many stickers selling more than 1,000 times a month. Apparently, I wouldn't have guessed. What is this first one? Blue vintage floral Kindle skin. Interesting. So it's a skin for a Kindle, not quite a sticker, but it got indexed there. That's another Kindle skin. Custom sticker. So there you go. Of course, the #1 bestseller is a custom sticker. Custom die cut stickers, and you're just buying packs starting at $9.99, price variable based on the size, doing 1,437 sales a month or $28,000 a month in revenue. Damn, that's crazy. Next one, custom text vinyl decals. So similar to the listing we just saw before, just the text vinyl decals, and really low price point actually, $3.60 to start. But if I want a lime green size as big as possible, 45 inches, well, that price jumps up to, what was that, like 40 bucks? Yeah, $37 basically. So if you have a Cricut machine or something and you have the work ethic, you could go and compete with these guys. Custom photo stickers. This is more along the lines of what I imagine we would do as print-on-demand sellers. Make a sticker out of anything. You literally just take people's photos, run them through remove.bg to remove the background, and boom, you've got your custom stickers. Love that. Keep it simple. This listing that we just looked at did 2,146 sales in the last month, brought in $5,680 in revenue. What is this? The last product? No, we had 2 more. Custom iPhone case, or sorry, I just typed in iPhone case, minimum 500 sales. So I couldn't find any for, 1,000 sales, but we found a few here for 500 plus sales a month. This first one, custom embossed iPhone case. I don't know that they even offer personalization. Yeah, they do. Of course they do. So it looks like they're just offering name or initials, keeping it pretty simple. I don't know that we have like Printful or Printify to fulfill with like the gold foil font. It's more of a specialty, I believe. But they've done 594 sales in the last month. Probably did a lot during Christmas, as you'd expect. And then boom, custom pet phone case, of course, 520 sales in the last month. Very similar strategy to what I just talked about. Run the photo through, remove.bg, remove the background, run it through a cartoonizer in this case to get that really nice. And by the way, your example photo, the one that you lead with in your primary image, is going to be the biggest determining factor of your success, because you for sure will not be the only person selling something like this. So I think that they did a great job here in selecting that dog that translated extremely well when it got cartoonized here, and some nice background colors of the case and whatnot. And honestly, if you've been selling these for a while, you probably know like what colors of the case to use as your primary mock-up, etc. So definitely sales kind of inform your decision-making process moving forward. That's the best data you can get. All right, let's close out with print-on-demand puzzles. Now, I had trouble finding puzzles because so many of them were wooden, so I used Everbee's filters. I excluded the word wooden. I had to reduce the monthly sales down to 200, so log that as a data point. I was trying to find 1,000 plus sales a month. Obviously, Amazon is the #1 e-commerce website in the world. There's going to be many more listings there that are doing higher volume than on Etsy. On Etsy, I dropped it down to 200 sales a month, and I was able to find this listing down here. The other 5 were not really what we were looking for. They're calling this the mini masterpiece jigsaw puzzle in a box. Assorted famous paintings was the niche. One of the things though is, their shop is on vacation, but you can click see item details. One of the things about these listings is I think it was the price point that really attracted people, and the fact that it's like famous paintings, right? But these are like mini puzzles, and the price point was extremely low at like basically $5 per. So damn, converting at a 9.9%. That's insane. Another really nice conversion rate. Anyways, guys, I hope you found this video helpful. It's always good to study the best sellers, the people that are out there doing it better than us that we're trying to emulate. They say success leaves clues. Hopefully you learned something that you can act on to improve your listings on Etsy from this video. If you did, let me know in the comments. Also, drop a like for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe. Check out Everbee. It's going to be linked at the top of the description, and I'll see you guys soon with another new video.